What did the Coin Bureau forecast for XRP? What is the current value of XRP? Is XRP set to soar in December? Continue watching this video if you want to understand everything there is to know about it. Click here to learn more so you don't miss out on an outstanding chance to win a gift at the end of this month for 25 XRP tokens. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the greatest XRP hut. This is where you can get your daily fix of XRP and cryptocurrency news. In today's video, we will discuss XRP and what the Coin Bureau has to say about it. So, keep your eyes on the prize as you work. You do not want to miss out on this. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So subscribe to the channel and enable post notifications by clicking the bell to never miss any of our uploads, and also enter our prize. Now that we've gotten everything out of the way, let's get into today's topic. Ripple is a money exchange and remittance network that operates in real time. That came out in 2012. Ripple's coin is known as XRP, and it now has a market capitalization of more than $120 billion. The objective of XRP is to act as an exchange middleman between two currencies or networks. Its transactions are both cheaper and faster than those of Bitcoin. In May 2018, a class action lawsuit was launched against Ripple, alleging that it led to a plan to raise hundreds of millions of dollars through unregistered sales of its XRP coins. The Coin Bureau host began by summarizing the Ripple versus SEC case. Here, the SEC contends that XRP is a security because it involves an investment of money in a joint venture with the expectation of reward driven by the conduct of a third party. The SEC's evidence supporting third-party profit expectations is the way XRP was used and marketed. The CEOs of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson, spoke to partners, clients, and retail investors. Because Ripple, Brad, and Chris have been selling XRP without registering for years. It was registered with the SEC as a securities. This suggests that the XRP sales were illegal. Exactly the same. A little more than a week after the case was announced, attorney John Deaton filed a 90-page petition asking the courts to consider XRP holders' interests. The petition said that by pursuing Ripple and its top executives, the SEC is failing to meet its plainly stated purpose of protecting investors. Instead, the SEC's complaint against Ripple was successful. The reverse occurred, with the price of XRP plummeting and many U.S. exchanges deciding to delist XRP, adding gasoline to the flames. Following this, the Coin Bureau host discussed the most recent Ripple news and SEC case. The long-running court battle between Ripple Labs and the Securities and Exchange Commission was decided by a phone call with the judge. Judge Sarah Netburn has also consented to hear a request to have former SEC Chairman William Hinman's deposition invalidated. The SEC's legal team contends that Hinman's 2018 speech in which he claimed Ethereum and Ether sales were not securities transactions had no legal standing. Its case against Ripple is unrelated to this. As part of their defense, XRP lawyers contend that it does. This dispute revolves around whether XRP should be regarded as security asset at all, or whether the SEC must provide reasonable notice of its plan to treat XRP as a security. If the Ripple request is granted, Hinman may be forced to testify in court, which the SEC is trying to avoid. The deposition centers around an excerpt from a lecture given 3 years ago at a Yahoo Finance summit in which Hinman, then the director of the SEC's Division of Corporation Finance, allegedly claimed that Ethereum did not justify being evaluated as a security asset. During a lengthy speech on cryptocurrency, he addressed the topic of Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as their status as securities. The SEC wants Hinman's address removed from the record, claiming he was speaking in his personal capacity. Nonetheless, XRP lawyers want it to remain central to the argument because they believe unambiguous comparisons are important. A distinction could be made between Ripple and Ethereum. The SEC, on the other hand, isn't having any of it. In a sharply written letter to the court, they argue that the speech carries little weight. This turned out to be a crucial part of the case. Guy, the host of Coin Bureau, then addressed how XRP has been relisted on Coinbase. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, on the other hand, has been pretty quiet. He remained silent about the XRP proceedings for months until this week, when he issued an optimistic tweet to his almost 890,000 Twitter followers. Mr. Armstrong, the Ripple lawsuit appears to be moving forwards. It's even amazing than I expected. Meanwhile, the SEC recognizes that targeting cryptocurrency is politically controversial due to the harm it causes consumers. He further stated, "The irony is that the individuals who are supposed to protect them are the ones attacking them." Armstrong's post included a link to an unfavorable photo of himself. An August article discusses the unanticipated backlash against the SEC from millions of retail investors, the very people the SEC is intended to protect. The reaction: the SEC's years of ambiguous and contradictory guidelines have been criticized by the court of public opinion. How will the SEC handle Bitcoin assets and its messy treatment of the present Ripple case? This is clearly not how SEC Chair Gary Gensler wants or expects this high-profile case to go. One of the worst-kept secrets in Washington, D.C., is that he is vying to join the White House cabinet as the next Secretary of State. He's apparently had his eye on the position since he was Treasury Secretary, a position he's supposedly had his eye on since he was in that agency. Under the Obama administration, it's not difficult to imagine the SEC seeking a face-saving settlement with Ripple in order to give its chair a better chance at the cabinet seat. A compromise: it would also open the road for XRP to be reintroduced on cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase. The final thing worth noting that shows XRP may be available on exchanges was a tweet from Coinbase Pro in early September, in which some XRP assets miraculously appeared on the professional edition of the mobile exchange and then vanished. Coinbase, as previously indicated, has halted XRP trading. Due to a technical issue, XRP was temporarily accessible but not tradable on the Coinbase Pro mobile app for some customers. Despite this, it appears like Coinbase and its CEO are preparing for the worst: XRP's potential relisting and the expected SEC settlement. 2021 has been one of the most tumultuous years in the cryptocurrency market to date. The tendency of rapid inflation echoes the extraordinary bull run we saw in 2017 and 2018, and many crypto investors are naturally concerned about a replay of the market-wide disaster that followed. However, it appears that the market is about to make another run, and the earlier activity is being replicated. The year is only the beginning. The XRP rate for December 2021 is expected to be $1.38 at the start and $1.38 at the end of the month. In December, the Ripple effect. The digital currency rate will be $1.40, with a maximum cost of $1.73 per coin and a minimum of $1.18. The XRP rate will rise by 8 cents, or 27.43%, in December 2021. According to the researcher, the Ripple payment network native token appears to be the most poised for growth and upgrading the record high. In the case of another surge, the XRP's price will rise. According to Van de Poppe, the price may approach $2.80 and then exceed $4.30. In 2021, the price of Ripple XRP may rise. By the end of December, the asset might be worth anywhere between $1.20 and $3 at the absolute least. Nonetheless, most reasonable price analysts appear to be hovering around $2 by the end of 2021, forecasting a consistent increasing trend for the remaining months of the year. XRP's internal currency is an intriguing and popular commodity with a promising future price outlook. The complete lack of rivalry with other cryptography-based projects plays an essential role. Ripple is a fast and secure payment method. Its gateway has appeared, allowing users globally to transact without interference from the government or any other financial institution, making it entirely customer-focused. And, based on previous price fluctuations, it may soon show a significant rise, making it a favorable time to hold XRP tokens. People, including the British, invest at their own risk. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by financial authorities. All cryptocurrency investments are risky, but meme Shiba Inu coins are especially volatile, and you should be prepared to lose your entire investment. You make an investment. The XRP coin's extensive use makes it popular across a wide range of social circles, from financial institutions to simple private consumers. As a result, purchasing digital money appears to be a wise investment. That's all we've got for you today, fellas. What is your XRP price prediction? Participate and let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on future videos, be sure you subscribe. Then, under this video, press the button and switch on the notification to be notified of the next video. Every time we post a video about the latest XRP and cryptocurrency news, you can watch our past videos about XRP or other cryptocurrencies until the next video is released. Thank you for viewing, and we will see you in the future video.